Dears, if you think today for you unforgettable day too, please let's sing together.
Acha acha, Jimmy Jimmy, acha acha, Jimmy Jimmy, acha acha.
공을 기억하고 나가요!
Guys, turn off lights, please. Thank you.
Bir көргеннен ғашық болдым өзіңе еркелеген балдай.
Love each other, you know. For example, the story of one sky, the most biggest mission in this project, you know. I want to show about my feelings when I saw so many wars around the world. I don't want to step forward. It's not our mistakes, it's just political mistakes. So we need to do our best to show everybody for all over the world how to need to respect each other. So many journalists or just my fans asking me about my mind. For example, about war. I think for me, don't have bad nations, really. For me, don't have bad nations. For me, doesn't matter. You are Kazakh, you are Indian, you are Chinese, you are French, American, Ukraine. Really doesn't matter. Uzbek, Kyrgyz, Russian. You know, we all God's children. That project named The Story of One Sky, the most biggest mission in this project, you know, I want to show about my feelings when I saw so many wars around the world. I don't want to step forward. It's not our mistakes, it's just political mistakes. So we need to do our best to show everybody.
Hello? Hello, Amity. So हम मिलते हैं इनसे दर्शकों. तो सर से
өзім әлі күнге дейін түсіне алмай келе жатырмын. Ол шабыт қайдан келетіні, ол мен үшін бір кішкене түсініксіз. Оған қазір дөп басып, осындай сәтте, осындай көңіл күйде ғана келеді десем, ол тағы өтірік болғаны білмеймін енді. Өз басым түсінбеймін.
He says it's even a mystery for him. Whenever he sits down to write a song or a story, it just comes to him. It's not something that you can plan or you can say, okay, this mood or this day I will write something. It is something that happens.
Керемет.